Hi, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to the program, and I'm glad you did because we're coming up on springtime. We're coming up on summertime eventually, and in Texas, springtime is summertime. But I wanted to give you a review of something that I think you're going to really, really like because I like to bring you stuff that I have had experience with and I've had good luck with. And if I haven't had good luck with it, I'm going to let you know. But this product is a miracle. It really is it's a miracle as far as what it can do for you in the summertime. It's a miracle as far as what the value is on this particular swimwear item. And I'm super excited to tell you about it. And I've been wearing MiracleSuits forever. So let me introduce you to MiracleSuit. And MiracleSuits are a line of women's swimwear that act almost as foundation garments, and they make you look so amazing. So this is one of the examples of a MiracleSuit. So love this thing. So look, see, it's got a high back, right? So it's not a little low dip back. Because remember back in the day when we'd wear the low dip backs one pieces, the straps would always fall. They'd always fall. They'd always fall. And that is nothing. It gives no bust support, and it gives no control. However, this looks like it's a high back. It's not a high back. When you put it on, it goes almost as low, but not to the small of the back. It's got this particular style has underwires in it. I don't know if you can see that. Underwires right here, and a lot of control. And then the body of this garment, it's like crazy full of control. Look at this. So when you're buying a MiracleSuit, it's almost like you're buying a foundation garment. It's that good. And they come in all kinds of styles. So let me give you a demonstration of the bottoms of these things. Behind me is one of the MiracleSuit swimwear tankinis. And I love this. This one has the underwires in it. You can see underneath it, it's got the underwires in it. It's got a loose but still control fitting top. It's also got this remarkable spandex. And then the bottoms to this, let me show you the construction on the bottom of this. I don't know if you can see in this light. There's gathers right here. These gathers on the hip are actually controlling the control panty in the front of the MiracleSuit bottoms. And if you want to know about high quality construction on any garment, turn it inside out. So we're going to turn these pants inside out, these little bottoms. Look at this. This is not only one pant, right? Not only one bathing suit bottom, that's what we call them in Texas, swimsuit costume or swim costume or whatever you want to call it. But anyway, it's not just one panty, right? Swim panty. It's actually two swim panties. See, one of them is a decorative kind of lighter weight nylon, and this one, it's a control fabric. This is like wearing a Spanx, right, in your swimwear. So it's also got a third layer at the crotch for extra protection. It's just a remarkable pair of pants. And the gathers make your booty look so good. They make your booty look so good. And then the control panty does nothing but control and make you shapely. It's a remarkable product. And I don't know how best I can show you how remarkable this product is and how much I love this product, how much I love MiracleSuits, how much that I will buy them every time, every summer, but I don't have to. So let me show you something you're gonna love this. Watch this. This is a MiracleSuit that I bought 25 years ago. I'm telling you, I bought this easily 25 years ago. I bought this at Dillard's in Tyler, and it still has the same, maybe not exactly the same, but it's still super duper control because it's 25 years old. Super duper control. The style on it is a wireless wrap. It is so flattering. And I put a sarong on this and some earrings and a bracelet and a little bit of glitter here and there. Even in the middle of the day, it's so beautiful. You look like a goddess coming down the stairs. It's beautiful. 25 years old. I paid, I think, $180 for this 25 years ago. And do you have any idea how much I've worn this? How many compliments I get when I'm wearing a MiracleSuit? And I don't know, like I said, how adamant I can show you that I am about MiracleSuits and how much they have done for the way I look in the summertime and building my confidence. I'm about to do something I wouldn't normally do, but I want to show you a little bit. I want to show you how confident I am in my miracle suit. See this suit? I love this suit. Keep this in mind. But this is how confident I am in my miracle suit that I'm going to take my dress off. What do you think? This is me in my miracle suit. I love it because it's full coverage. Fits nicely on my booty. Brings in my womanly belly. Raises my bust, raises my bust. I look so good. I look so good. I allowed myself to be a model in one of the editorials. This is me in my miracle suit. So, let's see. Miracle suit. Lose 10 pounds in 10 seconds. Available at a department store near you. Stay tuned for more. I'm Kate. Talk soon.